Hello, I am Sahajpreet Kaur. Welcome to my channel.
Hello friends, hope you all are fine and going good. In this unlocked time also we have to follow many guidelines, We can't order the food we love to eat or anything from outside because it's not safe also now time. So to satisfy that craving and the most especially the sweet tooth. So for to satisfying that I am making coconut laddu. That's very easy and quick recipe with minimal ingredients and I'm sure you will love it and moreover आपके साथ साथ आपके बच्चों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगी because they love sweets and moreover it's very beneficial for their health also. So let's start and make these recipe very quickly. So let's start the main ingredient. This is cheese, paneer. This is homemade paneer. आप चाहें तो बाहर से भी ला सकते हैं but make sure it will be soft. And this is coconut powder, नारियल का बरूदा, you all know. This is petha and we are using this ingredient instead of the sugar. And for garnishing we have cherries. I have mashed the paneer before only and now we have to grate this petha in this like this. I'm grating it. Paneer is very beneficial for our health as it's a lot of protein and calcium also, and it's good for our kids to have this type of paneer in this form actually, because sometimes they don't love to eat that thing. And coconut powder, you all know, is 0 calories and very health benefits we have in paneer. And coconut powder also is used in many sweets to garnish also, to give the outlook also. And petha, we all know, is the specialty of Agra, and it's also having very much potassium in this and many health benefits it have. And it's not that much sweet also, so we can have this laddus without any guilt also because it's not that sweetened. And this is best part of this recipe is that it is like non-flaming cooking, so we don't have to mess in the kitchen. In summers also you can use any room you love to watch TV, or we are in our lobby, we are just chit chatting and doing our work, so we don't need any cooking atmosphere of kitchen. So it's very easy recipe and kids can also accompany you to make this recipe. So I have grated that petha and I have mixed them all. Now we are adding 3 tablespoons, 3 to 4 of coconut powder. Like this, we have added it, and we have to mix them like this. Like this, we have given a shape of laddu to this. Like this. And we have to coat this coconut powder on the laddus also. Like this we have to make many of them. It's good to use this recipe in summers because we have to keep in refrigerator afterwards. So it's like chill laddus for sweet babies. They are out. You can see I have completed all my laddus. I have to coat this with coconut powder. Now it's all ready. Now we have to garnish this with cherries. Cherry on the cake. No, it's cherry on the laddu. And you will feel like yummy thin cake only because it will be like satisfying your sweet tooth without any guilt. And the hygienic point of view also, it's very safe because it's homemade and you can give to your kids without any tension. So you can see in very less of time the laddus are ready, and now you will keep them in refrigerator. आप इसे आधे घंटे के लिए रख लीजिए क्योंकि ये एकदम सेट हो जाएंगे एंड ठंडे भी हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि ये आपको थोड़े से चिल ही अच्छे लगेंगे और इसका टेस्ट भी वैसे ही ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ होता है क्योंकि जब ये ठंडे लड्डूस आप खाओगे। और आप इस रेसिपी को ट्राई कीजिए एंड आपके किड्स के लिए भी ये बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनको भी खाने में, आपकी फैमिली को. After your meal you can have one laddu without any guilt and enjoy this summer recipe. And so thank you guys for watching it. Please subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Be safe. Thank you.